You Uncle Willie, son. You Uncle Willie, son.
I'm 10. Bro, I might be the smallest nigga in this bar. Ready? Oh, what? How you feel? Okay, that's how you feel?
Hey! Get out the way!
Did Donald Trump win the election? Did Old Man Winter listen to Donald Trump and try to grab Mother Nature's vagina without permission? Donald Trump said he wants to build a wall. Well, build a wall around the sky. What is Winter doing here early? It's October. Come on. Is this Game of Thrones? They say winter is coming. Disobedient winter. Now winter is arriving. White people time. What is wrong with this Mother Nature woman? Secretarial baboon. What is wrong with you? Today somebody was trying to go to church. They opened the window. They said, Jesus, the devil is a liar. Well, apparently, so is October. Come on.
Sometimes it's out there the misty rain.
Yo, purple sex, Molly purple sex, Molly purple sex, Molly purple sex, represent, gotta represent, mask on, fucking mask off, mask on, fucking mask off, mask on, fucking mask off, mask on, fucking mask off. Purple cup, yeah, that's what I've been sipping. Ooh, got your bitch and you know she fucking stripping. Ooh, got the chain